A Marable Ramblers welcome. Indeed, this is going to be video number 2. Instead of counting the days as we go, you're going to notice is if you follow anything we do here, we drive for a couple of days, 2, 3, 4, maybe even 5, and then we take 2, 3, 4, 5 a week or whatever to recover. A lot to do with the fact that my wife works on the road. So we've made it out of the Yukon. If you watched the first video, we're just heading towards Toad River. There we are, and we have it's a 4-day drive. We're going to go through here, and then we're going to rest up in Calgary. And we'll see how far we get. I don't know if I'm going to put an all-in-one video or 2 or 9, but I guess all we know is this is number 2 in the series, so let's see how far we get. Let's hopefully we can stay out of trouble and have a little fun along the way. Okay, October 9th. You can hold it up there. You talk to it.
I was going to, and then you started talking. Go ahead, Bill, talk.
You got the microphone.
Okay. We're coming into Toad River.
Who's the star here, for God's sake?
It's 8:54 in the morning, and we can't decide who should talk.
We're 775 kilometers from Whitehorse.
And here's the
South.
reason why I don't even try, is because if I do try, then he interrupts me. So go ahead, Bill, please, talk.
Well, you're not saying anything important.
And it's 9 degrees. But just a little ways back there, it was already up to 17,
That's
16,
that weird,
17
what's
degrees.
that weird valley? It's always warm there.
Yeah. Oh, I can't see when you do that. Thank you.
You can see.
No, I'm good. You don't touch my visor. So you can see this is a very truck-heavy location. We can't figure out what's going on with our dash cam, so we have to figure that out when we're stopped. But Toad River's done a lot of construction. That building is new. They've added in that whole building there. They've ripped down all their hats. They're gone. And
There's
in
the lake
behind
back
there
there
is a lake, which for years I didn't realize was there, but they've opened this whole place up and made it actually really, really nice. So now there's these cabins in here. They got a whole bunch of cabins, and the cabins.
This is one of
right
my
on the
favorite
lake.
places to stay, in the RV or the cabins.
Okay, I'm gonna hand it to Bill because he wants
Good.
to talk.
Turn
I
it
can
off
just
now.
tell.
I'm getting gas.
Pardon me, dear?
Turn the thing off.
He's a bit grumpy in the morning. I will turn the effing thing off. Apparently, I'm supposed to. And we've got bison poop on our. We heard it splat, big splat. It's up the side of the trailer, and it's on the whatever it's called, the step to get in the truck. See if we can catch the grumpy old man. Grumpy man cleaning window.
This is basically what we consider the beginning of the north and the beginning of going south, the summit of Steamboat. Oh, a woman. I'm going to head that way.
I'm catching the temperature. 16 degrees
16 now? It's like
at 10:40 in the morning.
A couple minutes ago. Entering Fort Nelson. And that's the way it is on this
October 10th.
what's the holiday?
Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving Day. We will be back. There's no guarantee, of course, but we hope. It's a small town, but I like it. Okay, Port Nelson. We noticed earlier this tire was bulging. I'd use the far right one. It's 50 pounds. It was 40. I'm taking it off. It's got a slow leak.
Didn't you already set it?
Look. Look, that points to the tank you're using. Right? Our first repair on day 2. Wow. Sucks. See, that's the beauty of RVing and doing your little YouTube thing. There's always an opportunity to change a freaking tire. Doesn't really matter. Just change it out, tighten her up. There you go, tire change. Just put things away. Pizza time. Because inside we're having pizza and chocolate milk. Life on the road. Doesn't get any better. Oh, whoa. We are about 180 kilometers south of Port Nelson and about 200 kilometers, a little bit more, to Port St. John on the Highway 97, Alaska Highway. Just getting smoked out big time. Fires over there. October, and look at the fires. It's crazy. The world's going crazy. Oh, world's going crazy. This is Wanawan. We're not stopping here. We're going to gas up in Fort St. John, and then we got to find a place. That's it. That's Wanawan. We have the camps, the LNG, the oil rig camps. Wanawan Lodge, open camp. That's the gas station. That's it. Don't blink. Wanawan. Rest area. British Columbia, October 10th, 8:20 in the morning. Puppy, me and Puppy's having a little stare down. He's a cute dog. Gentleman over there just offered us breakfast. Him and his young son. Don't know where they're going. They're packing a weird load, but that's very kind of them. But we're pretty much set up. Thank you very much. Everything's going great. Hell of a windstorm, but bison shit still hanging on. Bison shit. Squished it so goddamn hard it was all over the trailer here. That's bison crap. Oh, Clodido! We're heading out. I'm starting to babble. Day 3 beginning. Let's head to Dawson Creek, mile 0, Alaska Highway. Then we're heading over into Alberta. It's like 9:30 in the morning. Some young guy come over there and was making breakfast on the side of the road. Wanted to know if we wanted breakfast. I had to look back at our 30-foot trailer that's got everything in it and tell him, no, we're actually okay. Couldn't help thinking maybe he's just kind of scoping us out, see how frail we are, get himself his new ride. But he got dick all. Anyways, food for thought. So we put all the kids on tracking. Gotta be prepared. So what we're trying to show you here is what it's like to drive out of the north to Baja and the adventures along the way. And I'll tell you, there is some crazy stuff coming up. But for now, let's just get on to Calgary and enjoy the scenery.